What's up, challengers? Welcome to week 6 of the Axiom Success Challenge. This is really crunch time. And this is the time of the challenge where people are looking for every tip and trick that they can possibly have to help them be successful at the end here. Now, one of the big challenges that people have when it comes to the end of something like the Axiom Success Challenge is how do I make sure to get my protein and my nutrients high, but keep my calories low? And that can be a pretty big struggle. Now's not the time to go to the steakhouse and get your porterhouse and things like that, because we know that those things come with extra fat, and we need to make sure that we keep our calories low, but keep our protein high at this point in the challenge. So I'm gonna give you one of my favorite ways to do that, where you're gonna get a lot of protein with very little calories associated with it. So the first thing we're gonna do here is a combination of Greek yogurt and protein powder. So we're gonna go with 1 serving of Greek yogurt. This is plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. That's gonna give us 100 calories and 18 grams of protein. Now we're gonna mix in 1 scoop of protein powder with this. And I'm going with the Abe patty cake today. I like this because this has freeze-dried strawberries in it. So it's gonna be a great option to mix in with the Greek yogurt. This protein has 120 calories and it's got 25 grams of protein. Next up, we're gonna mix this up really good. Mix this up really good. What we have here is this awesome protein pudding. Now do keep in mind, this is 220 calories and has 43 grams of protein in it. We've got nice little chunks of the freeze-dried strawberries in there. We've got a great texture from the yogurt. Now all that's left to do is to try it. You guys are gonna love that. So there you have it. That's our way to keep our protein high and our calories low as we come into the final weeks of the Axiom Success Challenge.